the face. I never finished the video because I was waiting for the whole kit right here. And this is the kit. I ordered it online, so if anybody wants to know what it is, the number and everything, that's the number. Bought the kit, I believe, on eBay. I think $10 cheaper than what it is. I think I paid $30 instead of $40. Okay, this is the whole full double din kit. For that, I have placed it all together, and I couldn't find the backup camera harness to it because it wasn't. I don't know why it wasn't working. So I just fished it all the way from the back, as you saw, and it worked from the back. Everything works good. The way to turn it off and turn it on is from here. You turn it on and you hold the button. This is this Pioneer, if anybody interested in putting it, this same Pioneer radio. Pioneer radio costs $200. I use the original backup camera that comes with this vehicle. And now I'm gonna take this stuff off right here, which is pretty easy. It's nothing hard. This wire is for the TV to turn on and off the TV. The switch, as I please. Doesn't have to be towards the brake. When you hit the brakes, that's when it turns on. I'm able to bypass that, throw a switch on, and it has to connect towards. I think it has to connect towards the ground, and then you turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, and it'll go straight to TV while driving. I don't recommend people that are driving watch TV, but you know, the person that's on the passenger seat on the side of you or in the back when they're watching some TV. That's why I did it for. Okay. Now, to take this out, first, let me see. Struggle a little bit. Okay. Let me see. Right down here, there's a screw. And right over here is a screw. Okay, you gotta pop those off. Once you pop those two screws off, and then after that, you're gonna this will pop off. Okay, and then there's gonna be two more screws, so you could pop this whole face off. It just pops off, but there are two screws. One screw here, one screw there, and then this will pop off. To take out the TV. This right here, you'll see once it pops off, once you take the two screws out from here, this lever with the screwdriver, you just bring it down. This right here, you just bring it down, it comes down. So does this, you just press it down, and then that's what helps this TV to pop off. Okay, I popped them off. Like I said, there was two screws down here. Okay. Pop that off, and then I pop this whole face. Just popping this face, there's no screws. Once you take out these two screws, you gotta try to take out that tray. This tray don't come out, and you just gotta play with this whole piece here. It's a little difficult to pop off, but it'll pop off. It won't break, but it'll pop off. Just don't try to pop it off from here, because this can break, because it's, you know, it's thin. You just you'll be like this, and you just start prying it off, and it'll pop off. Put it to the side, or if you want to take these guys out, you can. Okay, I took out the screw here, took out the screw here, I showed you, and then this falls down to place like that, just like that, and that will pop off. That will pop off this whole thing out. See? Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna get to the face. Let me open up the bag, and then I'll show you the face. Got the face part in. Put it on this side right here. It has to go up to the edge, just like that. Okay. And on the other side is the same thing. Sorry, it's just me recording, so you gotta bear with me. And then it will pop. It'll pop right in, as you can see. Once it pops right in, just how I looked before, this part goes here. But when you put this part in, you have to take the radio back out. It doesn't clip. You gotta screw it from the back. And you see the two holes there, and you screw it from right here, and here, here, and here. It'll fall into place. Where these square things are, it'll go in there. Same thing down here. They'll go into its place. Once you do it, you'll see it. Okay, it's not that hard. You know, the difficult part was wiring it up. Reason why, like I told you, this way you do it without buying the actual aftermarket harness. Okay, these are the screws that you use. It comes with a whole kit. Not much in the kit, but it comes with it. And right now, I'm gonna pop it off real quick, as much as I can. Okay, get this out of the way. Sorry, bear with me, because it's just me recording with my hand with my phone. Like I said before, you have to get the adapter antenna. I don't remember the antenna number. What do you call it? The number of the antenna, so you could buy it. I bought it at Best Buy. You just ask for the vehicle, 2011 Mercedes Benz 350 ml or Ml350, and then they'll give you the antenna wire. Because this antenna actually doesn't go with this radio. You need the aftermarket antenna wire, so it will go to this green. Me finding out, like, connected, because there's a few of these like this. One I think is GPS. Another one is I believe the steering wheel. But like I said, it don't bother me about the steering wheel. We got a remote, and for it to be costly, nah, we don't need it. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to save people money as I save myself some money. Okay, it goes on the green. All the wires, let's see. The speaker wires are color coded. They're usually twisted together, so you know, every time I put a wire in, I flipped, I put it on second, and then I heard a speaker every single time. Okay. What else? The ground, I grounded off to the chassis of the car, because it was kind of difficult. See, here's another one. I think this right here is the GPS, so we don't need that. You know what I mean? This, you know, you got your phones. You got your phone for GPS. Usually people use their own phone for GPS. What else do we have here? And to do the backup camera. Oh, excuse me. Yawning. When you're doing the backup camera, I said that I was going to try to find the wiring harness through here, which I think I did, but it didn't want to work. I got no reason why it didn't want to work. So I just fished the wiring from the back, which is maybe 2 or 3 cables, I forgot what it was, and all the way fished it all the way to the front. Worked the same. It worked the same. So I just left it with the back, did the wiring real nice, and everything works perfectly. Radio works. The ignition, you know, when you click it to second, the radio should turn on, and when you click it, when you take off the key, the whole thing, as I showed you, when you take off the whole thing, the radio don't turn off when the car turns off. But you could turn it off. You could turn off this radio by just holding the button down. It's really good. Okay, so it's just easy wiring. You just got to find power, a ground. Let's see what else here. Remote I didn't do. See what right over here. This is it, yeah. This is the auxiliary. The red is the auxiliary, and the yellow is the constant down here where this, where my finger's at, right here. I put them both together and connected it straight. This wire, I just used it to make it a little longer, so don't even worry about this wire. I used it to make it longer, and it goes straight to the power of the harness, of the radio harness. Straight constant 12-volt battery, 12-volt power. And that's the way I was able to rig it up. I just finished finding, if you go in, I could go to the ignition. I could go to the ignition, which is this. Pop it out and see which one is auxiliary. Just straight auxiliary, it's accessory if you want to call it. That would be another date for me to find that. I mean, if you want to give it a shot, you can. If you're skilled with the wiring, go for it. It's not hard to do. Okay, so that's really about it. I'm just gonna put this back together. Okay, got the whole thing on, as you can see. Nice fit. Okay, this is still popped out. This, you could put it anywhere. You gotta make the shape for it, and I'm planning on putting it down here. Okay, that's self-explanatory. Don't need really to show this. It's really one cable to another cable. Okay, this one right here is just a light for this. I don't need to put that on. I got another switch anyway without a light. Same similar thing. It goes from one, you turn it on, it goes to the other one. So on and off from here. Okay, good. It goes on. Everything works perfectly. Radio. Okay, just gotta find the right station. You know. Find the right station. 106.3 radio. Everything works perfectly. Okay, there's no disc on right now. Think so? Nope, no disc on it. The time has to be changed. And to turn it off, you just gotta press it down till it says powering off. That's it. And it's off completely. Everything was put how it was before. Nice and great. Like it hasn't been touched or nothing. That's how you want things to look like. It has not been touched at all. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this is very helpful. This is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz 350 ML. And this is without the big costly harness that you need. Again, it does not have the steering wheel part. I haven't done the harness for the steering wheel part. You could get that. I think it's $50 and it'll connect straight to the harness. But I didn't because, like I said, we really do. It don't matter for us. Pioneer comes with a control. Also, we usually use the buttons on the radio. It's not really a big thing. Again, that's it. One more thing. This switch is for the TV to go on and off, on and on. If you read instruction about TV radios, you should connect this straight to the brake harness for the e-brake, so it could be only driven, and I'm sorry, it could only go on the TV when it's on brake. Bypassed it with this, so you turn it on, you turn it off, and it should come and say something like warning, it should not be driven. You press OK and it'll go on. That's really about it. Thank you very much for watching. And like I said, hopefully this is very helpful. This saved me a lot of money. Have a good day. Make sure you press like, subscribe. Any comments, put it on. I'm willing to help. Thank you very much.